Nespresso VertuoPlus Deluxe Coffee and Espresso Machine in-depth reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 12,808 ratings and 1512 reviews. 90% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 7% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said Starbucks at your house. I love this, it's perfect. Easy to use, not messy. I love that it has a built-in trash can, and I love that you get so many pods. The only thing that sucks is that you have to keep the information sheet of the pods or you won't know what they are. It would be nice if it was written on them or just a surprise every time. For me, I like to put them all in a big container, but you would have to keep the other information sheet/box to know what you are getting. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. It will happen to every owner eventually. Read the manual. This was an amazing anniversary gift until it broke months later. The machine entered into some sort of descaling mode. I have gone through the manual and descaled the machine. I have spent the money on the descaling chemical and still the machine won't work. The Nespresso website is no help, and now I no longer have my favorite thing about the morning. I have spent hundreds of dollars on capsules, so for this to happen after 10 months of use, I am furious. Terrible issue to have, especially since it was working fine. But some sensor shuts it down. That's it.